Introducing the Atomi Smart Coffee Maker. It's a smart coffee maker that can be controlled from your phone. Use your smartphone to start or pause your brew from anywhere. The scheduling feature allows you to set a pre-programmed routine so that your coffee is ready exactly how and when you want it every day. During the week, nice and early, and on the weekends, maybe a little later. You can even use your voice to control the Atomi Smart Coffee Maker using Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Alexa, brew coffee. The Atomi Smart Coffee Maker, the smarter way to have coffee.